Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from your M1 Finance. Now once you're on your dashboard, come here and click on transfers and then click on move money. Now there's three different options you get: one-time transfer, either a recurring transfer, or an account transfer between your accounts. So I'll choose a one-time transfer. Just enter the amount, select from where you are transferring. So in this case, let's choose the dividend account. And next, choose to where you're transferring it to. So we'll do our checking account. Okay, the 360 checking account. We'll choose that one right there. Click on continue. And you are able to come to this page where you can just confirm this. Make sure everything is correct. And then click on confirm. And your transfer will be created. If you click on done, as you can see, it is now pending. That's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.